High rents are eating away at income and preventing many from saving enough for down payments. It's Friday, June 30th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Cost burdens and affordability have become two of the most acute problems in housing. Homeownership demand continues as evidenced by the rise in loan applications accompanying every dip in interest rates. However, renters are struggling to pay for housing costs as rising rents exceed 30% of income on direct housing costs. This is the highest level in history for renters, so saving for down payment has become much more difficult for many. For those seeking to purchase in Maryland, we do have some great programs to assist with down payment and closing costs. Contact me for more details. Homes coming soon dropped again this week to 917 properties. 1,450 new listings hit the market. 683 went under contract and 1,181 went pending. 1,570 sold at 100.2% list-to-sold ratio in 7 days, continuing the fast-paced market we are seeing in most Maryland areas. The highest priced home sold in the past week was a waterfront in Annapolis for $3,900,000. Rentals available dipped this week to $1,756 at $2,300 per month and leasing in 22 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 30th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the holiday weekend, and I'll see you next week.